Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now let's see about a suitable initialization procedure for speeding a neural network jobs of scheduling. Now let's see about this abstract. The proposed modification consists in a suitable choice of neural network, initialization, starting time of the jobs of scheduling. This optimal choice draws a faster training of the neural network and a near optimal solution. Hence, an iterative neural network is used in this paper. Describes some basic concepts and notations of jobs of scheduling. The same sections reviews the integer linear programming representation with mathematical formulation. It gives the resolution of integer linear programming representation. The neural unit model, the connection between the neural constraints units and their architecture are then defined. We propose a new initialization method that is other than a heuristic based directly on a database of a problem of classic jobs of scheduling problem. In order to give more details for this initialization, we need to define in a general way the problem of jobs of scheduling represented by the machines and processing time. This heuristic initialization consists of initialization different starting times by assuming that all the resources are continuously available for only each job and independently of the others. This is the flow of our process. Here we have to load our data set. In the it should be the jobs and machines time of our process. So it will go to the sequence generation. Here the data size swapping is a strategy for protecting confidentially in release micro data records. In the simplest case of its use, values of a single attribute are swapped between randomly selected pairs of records, as illustrating table 1 for data extracted from the current tab. The swapped attributes. The purpose of data swapping is to introduce uncertainty into the mind of any data user or intruder as to whether records correspond to real data elements. After sequence generation, it go to the neural network. In neural network, it is known as the perceptron, which is a system with an input and output layer. A feed-forward neural network is a system with an input and output and at least one hidden implementation layer, which is formed by the simple computational units interlink called neurons. After a training process, the neuron estimates the synapses weight between them, and the network should have the ability to respond to the newer situations. This neural network, after this result, it will go to the max span time. Based on the selected sequence, we are identifying the max span time. Here we are identifying the which sequence have the best max span time. So after max span time, it will go to the heuristic method. It refers to experience based on technique for problem solving, learning, and a discovery that give a solution which is not guaranteed to optimal. Whether the exhaustive searches, impractical heuristic methods are used to speed up the process of finding a satisfactory solution. Heuristic is an adjective for experience-based technique that help in problem solving, learning, and discovery. Now let's have a demo of our process. Here I am having main.m file. Select this file, right click and run the file. So this is our design. So initially we have to load our data values. These are the jobs and machines. This is the corresponding time of that completed times. This time will go to the further process. So initially we have to generate the sequence. Now I am calculating the sequence is 25. The sequence will be generated based on the neural network. This is the training process of our neural network, and this is the uh, confusion matrix of our neural network. This is the generated sequence of our Jobson machine. So here we are identifying the 25 sequence. For this 25 sequence, here we are identifying the max span time. So this is the corresponding graph of that max span time. This is the value of identified max span time of this each sequence. So here we are getting 25 max span time values. In this 25 max span time, here we are identifying the minimization. So here we are getting the minimization as 28. In analysis, which max span time getting the minimum value, here we are identified here by the use of the heuristic method. I am showing the result of jobs of scheduling to minimize the process by the use of neural network. Thank you.